Hello, my name is Fergus Taylor and this is my final project for Harvard's CS50 course in 2024. As per the brief, I have developed a web-based application using HTML, JavaScript, Python and SQL. It also features some CSS and Ginger. I have called my application Where on Earth, as it allows users to create and maintain a record of where on Earth they have been. The idea for my project came from the increasingly popular Scratch map. However, I wanted to create a one-stop website which provided both a digital scratch map and a more traditional pinboard method. Here you see the login page, which any user starting a new session will be redirected to. Any new user can register an account by clicking on the relevant link, which will take them to the registration page. The registration simply requires a username and a password with at least 6 characters, which then need to be confirmed. Upon registering a new account, the user is redirected to the login page with a flash message confirming they have successfully registered. Any issues with the username or password when registering or logging in will result in a similar flash message in red text, which specifies the issue. To demonstrate the website in full, I'll log in with an account I made previously. Upon logging in, the user will be presented with the home screen. This is already pulling data from the SQL database to present the user with a count of the number of sovereign countries and overseas territories the user has previously saved. It is also dynamically changing the text to include the username and change the plurality of the statement as appropriate, i.e. country versus countries and territory versus territories. The navigation bar along the top of the page has also been updated now that the user is logged in, providing quick access to every page in the application. The logo in the top left acts as a link to the home page. The cog icon in the top right provides a drop-down menu, including options to log out, reset password, and even delete the account entirely. We will first explore how the Scratch map is set up. The navigation involves a drop-down with links to 2 pages, checklists and a world map. The checklist page is organized by region, as well as being categorized into countries and territories. Drop-down toggles have been assigned to each subsection in order to reveal and hide the associated checklists, hopefully making it a little easier to find specific destinations and browsing regions one by one. The user can then submit all the checklists via one Save button once they are happy with their changes. Any previously saved countries will appear as marked when starting a new session. The World Map page visualizes the checklists page by creating a digital scratch map. This pulls data from the updated SQL database and adds overlays from a GeoJSON file. Moving on to the pinboard page, this generates a similar world map, but this time features some additional interactivity using JavaScript as well as Leaflet, the API used to initialize the map. This allows the user to click on the map to add a pin, with each pin displaying a pop-up when clicked on, giving the user the option to delete the pin should they wish. This map is capable of zooming further into specific countries, letting the user add pins with high accuracy, and unlike the checklists page, these pins are saved automatically and will be reloaded when starting a new session. This web application has been created for both desktop and mobile use. Specific adaptations for mobile use include restructuring the navigation bar as shown, as well as adjusting the dimensions and initial zoom settings of the 2 maps. The map view in portrait is still quite limited, but works much better in landscape. Given more time and resource to improve this web application further, I would focus on refining the GeoJSON data, as the file is very bulky. I haven't done so on this occasion as it proved to be very time consuming, but in theory this would subtly improve the running times. Thanks for watching.